A 12-year-old boy is charged with capital murder, accused of shooting and killing a Uvalde man last night. A woman claims someone broke into her home. Her boyfriend was found shot in the head and later died. A capital murder charge against a suspect this young is very rare in Texas. Joining us for a legal perspective on cases like this is Bexar County District Attorney Joe Gonzalez. Joe, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So in Texas, we all know you can be executed for killing someone, but what about a 12-year-old?
No, you cannot execute a juvenile. The age of criminal responsibility is from 10 to adult, but someone that commits a crime from the age of 10 to 16, for example, cannot face the death penalty.
And no life in prison.
Correct.
So what factors play into what charges can be handed down to a minor, and especially to an elevated charge like capital murder?
Well, obviously, the more aggravated the circumstances are, the more likely that a charging agency like a district attorney's office is going to seek remedies such as filing capital murder charges. Keep in mind that a district attorney's office, for example, can seek what is called an original petition, where they can seek to punish a juvenile to be sent to the Texas Juvenile Justice Division, what used to be called TYC, or the juvenile prison. But there's an extra or a special remedy called determinate sentencing, where if a grand jury approves an indictment, a juvenile offender can face up to 40 years of imprisonment for a charge like this.
40 years?
Correct.
And we were sharing about this before, but you worked on a case where this there was a charge of a minor, right? And 40 years was the sentencing.
Correct. I once was a chief prosecutor in Harris County, where we prosecuted a 15-year-old for killing a Vietnam veteran with a butcher knife, and he got the ultimate sentence in that case of 40 years.
What do you think is a realistic punishment when dealing with someone this young?
Well, I certainly think that a maximum sentence of 40 years may be appropriate. I don't know. I don't know the circumstances of the case. I mean, we would hope that that if the state was going to go forward, they felt that they had a compelling case to request that sort of punishment from a jury.
All right, Bexar County District Attorney Joe Gonzalez, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
We appreciate your time.